Hey everybody, I am going to show you the after of this little storage lamp that I made for my daughter for her bathroom and I found the little trusty remote. Hopefully she'll be able to keep up with it. Let's see what it looks like. Yes, hot. Alright, so let's check. Feeling a little hot today. Feeling a little blue. Feeling money green. That is so nice. And of course I had to bling out her little trash can. You need a trash can on top of your counter, for like the contact lenses or for those little wipe your face pads and stuff. I can't stand just seeing that stuff all over the place. But it happens. So there you go. This thing works, y'all. This little dehumidifier is the best thing ever. All right. Well, folks, that's it. Hope y'all liked it. Maybe you'll want to try it for your own, bathroom or your kid's bathroom or something like it. There you go.